Whether you're circling around a campfire in a campground or claiming your spot on the lawn for a concert, you need a reliable, comfy seat to plop down in and relax. We put the most popular camping chairs to the test and made this list to help you find the perfect one for your needs. You don't have to break the bank to get a great camping chair, but we find that spending a little more is often well worth the cost for the increase in comfort, durability, and convenience. We recommend chairs at a variety of price points below to make it easy to find a great option that fits your budget. Number 5. Nemo. This first ever swinging and reclining camp chair takes relaxation to a new level. The swinging offers an exciting new sitting experience, with a relaxing motion that is designed for comfort. And when you're ready to recline, lean back and enjoy a great view of the stars. Unlike rocking chairs, this chair is designed for use on any surface, including rocky, sandy or uneven ground, bringing the relaxation of motion to a host of new environments. Nemo is founded on a commitment to adventure and the fearless pursuit of uncharted paths, in everything from the equipment we build to the way we run our business. No corners are cut, no forest unexplored. Our philosophy is simple. Never bring anything to market that isn't significantly better than what's already out there. Through the world's best engineering and design work, product details are redesigned, perfected, and refined even more. Number 4. Moon Lens. Pockets. 2 side pockets on both sides, fixed with Velcro. Store some little stuff, like sunglasses, drink bottle, smartphone, etc. Carry bag. Equipped with a portable carry bag, you can carry the chair everywhere. Also, you can store some little stuffs when you are out. Multiple use. Perfect for camping, fishing, picnic, concerts, sporting events, or other outdoor activities. High load bearing. Well-structured joints and anti-skip feet, which can hold up to 400 pounds weight capacity. Square design frame makes it much more stable. Best comfort. Waterproof and breathable fabric mesh delivers the super unrestricted seating experience. Best after sales. If you have any dissatisfaction with the product, please let us know. We will provide you with the best after sales service. Number 3. Kajaro. Big in comfort and big in support, the Kajaro XXL Dual Lock Chair kicks our standard chair up a notch. At 2 inches wider and 1 inch taller in height, our XXL portable folding chair, which locks when open, supports up to 400 pounds. And like our original dual lock chair, the XXL is made of durable ripstop polyester, comes in a variety of colors, and features 2 mesh cup holders, with an important difference. One of the cup holders holds a larger 32-ounce drink, while the other holds a standard cup size. This wonderfully portable chair also has a carry strap on the chair frame and a bag, mesh airflow on the back, and an organizer with a zip pocket, mesh pocket, and cell phone holder. From weekend soccer games to camping on the floor of the Grand Canyon, Kajaro offers quality products featuring innovative technology. Dual lock chairs, modern accessories, and premium designs are offered in an array of colors to match your personality. Number 2. Click. Bottle-sized outdoor chairs for anywhere. The Click foldable chair is almost the size of your drink bottle, making them great folding chairs for outside, as you can take them anywhere conveniently. Outdoor chair ready in 5 seconds. Our outdoor chair is not only compact, but it can set up in 5 seconds. Our tip-proof foldable chair keeps you stable in all environments. Built for anywhere, Click's foldable chair is super versatile and perfect for all outdoor adventures, or somewhere simple like your lawn. The lawn chair is an essential to add to your outdoor accessories. Supportive chair. Our lawn chair has been tested extensively and supports 300 pounds, while only weighing 3.5 pounds. With aircraft-grade aluminum, ripstop ballistic nylon and double seams, our chairs will last a lifetime. Useful for anywhere. Click's foldable chair is not only just perfect for your lawn. These outdoor chairs are suitable for barbecues, picnics, beach days, backpacking trips, music festivals, and concerts. Number 1. Coleman. Have a cold drink at hand at the campsite, barbecue, or picnic with a Coleman Cooler Quad Chair. The cooler built into the armrest holds up to 4 cans and provides easy access to a cold drink once the one in your mesh cup holder is empty. While you sip on your favorite beverage, the fully cushioned seat and back only adds to your relaxation. If you want your hands free, the side pockets work nicely to store your book, magazine, or some snacks. When the fun is done, the chair easily folds up into a carry bag for easy transport and storage. Cooler pouch. An insulated pouch built into the armrest keeps up to 4 cans chilled so you can easily grab a cold drink at any time. Cup holder and side media pocket built into the armrest. The cup holder ensures that a refreshing drink is always within easy reach. A handy side pocket keeps phones, snacks, or keys at your fingertips. Strong steel frame. A sturdy steel frame ensures you'll have a great seat, season after relaxing season. Cushioned comfort. Fully cushioned seat and back for added support and enhanced comfort.